Hi, welcome back. Let's talk about something out of the box that most likely none of your competitors is doing. Update an old blog post, okay? Or update your old blog post. Here's what you need to do. Find a top performer. So what you do is you go to Google Analytics, you find a post that is doing really well. Now, this post be something that might have been written by you a few years ago, a few months ago. Maybe it was written by one of your writers, maybe an employee or somebody, right? Maybe an SEO company. But let's say it's already there on your website and you find that it's doing well. So what you know now, everything that we've been through, all the recordings, all the videos that you've been through, what you know now, using that knowledge, perform an on-page SEO for that post, which means check the loading speed. See if the hook is good. Check the headline, the paragraph, the conclusion. Does it have a call to action? Are the images optimized, right? Check everything that you know. Perform a complete on-page SEO. And then based on your findings, whatever is missing, you update that post. Write a better hook. Write a better call to action. Maybe write a better opening line of the paragraph. So you make it perform even better. Okay, so then it may have even more engagement rate. Maybe increase the word count. So when you do all this, it's going to rank even higher. And it's going to rank higher in more search phrases. So update the post so you can get better results from it. If it's getting 100 visitors a month, update it so it can get 200 visitors a month, 300 visitors a month, and so on. And so this post is going to help your entire site rank higher. Different pages of your site rank higher. So do that. Go to your Google Analytics. Google Analytics video is in Tools and Resources. Go to Google Analytics. Check the best blog posts that you have or the top performers that you have. Do an on-page SEO and then update the post and republish it. Okay, and then keep an eye on it. See how it increases, how it gets even more user engagement, how it gets even better results. Okay. I bet you your competition is not even thinking of it. This is an out-of-the-box strategy. I've never seen any company tell me that this is what they do. So let this be our little secret, right? Okay. All right. So let me know your thoughts on this strategy. Let me know what you think. And once you do these changes, share in the Facebook group, however the results were. And, let's share results with each other. Let's inspire each other to do better, and let's make each other more successful than we already are. So I hope that was helpful, and I'm sure you'll work on this. This is an easy one. Update your blog posts that are performing well. Make them even better. Okay. So I will now see you in the next video.